So consider two vertical transformations y equal to afx plus b. So a is stretching the graph vertically by a, and when you have plus b, the y coordinate is moving b units upwards. So this is functions part of A level pure mathematics 1. Now sketch the graph of y equal to 2fx minus 3. This is a graph of y equal to fx. So we take it step by step. What happens in y equal to 2fx? Every point xy becomes x comma 2y. I recapitulate once more. We have so every point xy becomes x comma 2y. So 0, 1, which is on the graph, becomes 0, 2. 1 minus 1 becomes 1 minus 2. 2, 0 becomes remains 2, 0. 2, 3 becomes 2, 6. And with these, we plot the graph. Now 2fx minus 3. So the y coordinate comes down by minus 3. So 0, 2 becomes 0 minus 1. 1 minus 2 becomes 1 minus 5. 2, 6 becomes 2, 3. And with these, we plot the graph. So this is the resultant graph. Okay, now you have this figure. The diagram shows the graph of y equal to x squared and its image after a combination of transformations. Find two different ways of describing these transformations. So I recapitulate once more. Y equal to fx plus a, the graph moves a units upwards. Y equal to f of x minus a, it moves a units to the right. Y equal to alpha fx, every point xy becomes x alpha y, and y equal to f alpha x, every point xy becomes 1 by alpha comma y. So we have first the graph is y equal to f of x minus 4. So you have, this is the graph y equal to fx. X squared y equal to f of x minus 4, it is shifted 4 units to the right. And then we have y equal to f of half x. So every point xy will become 2x comma y. So every point xy becomes half x comma y. So this is the resultant graph, y equal to x squared. Or we can also have y equal to half x. So every point xy will become x by 2 comma y. This is the graph in orange. And then y equal to f of x minus 2. So it is shifted 2 units to the right. Write the equation of y equal to gx. So we take the first part, y equal to f of x minus 4. So the graph is shifted 4 units to the right. So x squared becomes x minus 4 the whole squared. And y equal to half x. Every point xy becomes 2x comma y. So this will become 2x minus 4 the whole squared. As we can see for this graph. First we shifted it 4 units to the right, and y equal to half x, every point xy becomes 2x comma y. So this will be the resultant graph.